In this video I'm going to show you how you can make a logo for your business, or in other words how you can make a business logo. While there are a lot of offline and online tools available for creating the logo, but today I'm going to show you a online tool, and that is called Canva, and I have given the link in the description below. Once you will click that, you will reach this page. You need to sign up, or if you already have a Canva account, then you need to sign in. Okay, once you sign in to the Canva website, and you will see a lot of options of creating the presentations and slideshow videos and reports. But you would also see here that you can create a logo by clicking this. In case you do not see this logo option here, you can just search the word logo in this search button and you will reach this screen here. While you have the option of creating from the scratch by clicking this blank option, but if you want to modify the ready-made logos, then there are a lot of options available. As you can see that you can just keep scrolling down and down, and you would see a lot of ready to made logos which you can customize according to your own brand. Okay, let's suppose for our this digital world text tutorial channel we want to create a logo. I'm just going to select this one. You can just click that and it will open a new screen where you can customize or edit this logo. While you can change all these drawing circles, and you can replace your own brand logo by clicking this option, uploading the image, and then dragging that image onto your logo screen. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to keep this, and I'm going to just change the colors of these circles according to my brand. I would also change the color of this red option, and you can also edit the text. You can change the font size, font type, and font color from here. All these options are available, but I'm just going to keep it simple. As you can see that we have added our text. I'm just going to increase the size of this text slightly larger font. Same goes for this which is shown below, and I'm going to change this background color from white to somewhere which matches my brand. And as you can see that now we have customized this logo as per our own brand. And you can, while you can do a lot of changes and customizations, as I've shown you, that you can change the colors, and you can also edit the font and change the text, and you can also add the elements from here which are kind of icons which you can add these, and you can upload your own. But once you are done, you can download these images by clicking this option, the download button, and over here, okay, in the download section, while you can download them as PNG, JPG, PDF, and if it is a video you can download as a MP4 or GIF. But if you want to use all these features which are given here, like you can change the size of your logo, you can keep the background as transparent, and you can also compress this image file. For that you will have to buy this Canva Pro or try that. So in case you buy the Canva Pro, you would get the library of images, videos, and audios along with that totally free. You can use the brand kit, and you can resize your images just by one click, and you can download the images and your logo with transparent background. So these are the options in case you want to buy that, but I'm going to just demonstrate the free version. So I'm just going to click download, and then I will keep this as png and click download. It will prepare my file. I'll download the file on my desktop, and then I'm going to show you. File has been downloaded. Now I'm going to open this file, and now you can see that our customized branded logo of our channel is ready. That's how you can create the logo for your business using this Canva online software, which is free to use. But if you want to use all the features, you will have to buy this Canva Pro. In any case, thank you for watching this video till the end. If you like this video, hit the like button, share and subscribe.